Hello, and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is a trip I would like to take. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, I want to talk about a trip I would like to take. I want to visit France. France is a beautiful country in Europe. It has big cities, small villages, and beaches and mountains. Many people visit France every year because it has many interesting places. I have never been to France, but I really want to go. The first place I want to visit is Paris. Paris is the capital of France and a very famous city. There are many things to see and do in Paris. First, I want to visit the Eiffel Tower. It is very tall and many people take pictures there. I want to go on the top and look at the city from above. At night, the Eiffel Tower has lights and looks beautiful. Next, I want to visit the Louvre Museum. This museum is very big and it has many paintings and sculptures. The most famous painting there is the Mona Lisa. I have seen pictures of the Mona Lisa, but I want to see it in real life. I also want to walk along the Champs-Élysées. This is a famous street with many shops and cafes. I would like to sit in a cafe and drink a coffee and watch people walking by. Another place I want to see is Notre Dame Cathedral. It is a very old and beautiful church. Many people visit this place every day. I think it will be an interesting place to see. Food is very important in France. I love French food. I want to eat many delicious things. For breakfast, I want to eat a croissant with jam. Croissants are soft and buttery. I also want to try a baguette. It is a long and crispy bread. For lunch, I would like to eat onion soup. It has onions, cheese, and bread. It looks very tasty. For dinner, I want to try a coq au vin. This is chicken cooked with wine, mushrooms, and vegetables. It is a traditional French dish. And for dessert, I want to eat crepes with chocolate. Crepes are thin pancakes, and you can eat them with fruit, chocolate, or sugar. They are very popular in France. After Paris, I want to visit the south of France. The weather is warm and sunny there. I want to see the French Riviera. It has beautiful beaches with blue water. I love the sea, so I want to swim and relax on the beach. There are also small villages in the south of France. Some villages have colorful houses and small streets. I think they look very pretty. I would like to walk around and take pictures. France has many old castles. Some castles are very big with big gardens and beautiful rooms. I want to visit the castles and learn about the history of France. I think it will be very interesting to see how people lived a long time ago. I think France is an amazing country. It has big cities, small villages, and beautiful nature, and delicious food. There are many things to see and do. One day, I hope to visit France and have a great trip. Now, let's check on your understanding. Answer these questions. What is the capital of France? Paris. What is the name of the famous museum in Paris? The Louvre Museum. What do I want to eat for breakfast in France? A croissant with jam. Where do I want to swim? In the French Riviera. What is the name of the famous painting in the Louvre Museum? The Mona Lisa. If you have answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time. Bye-bye.